Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining. So my name is Roni, and we have 5 minutes. So let's start the run-up. So let's imagine that we are in a world of design, sourcing, and specifying interior finishes material for the construction industry, and everything happen in a friction of a type. So imagine now that we have it in accuracy and creativity, all in single, in integrated platform. So what we build is SupplyX. And who is SupplyX? So SupplyX is an integrated platform that engaging all the interior finishes material to a one platform. What we do, we are taking what we say the drawing of the developer, we upload it into the system of the SupplyX machine, and then it's do an automated takeoff, which is the bill material. And once it happens, all the material that exists in the platform, doing a match, not search, a match engine to a manufacturers around the world, depends of the end of the project. So once that happens, we engage the buyer directly to the manufacturers. So we'll go for deep into it much more later. What I'm trying to explain is that how the problem today exists in the market. So if you go for designers, they are spending so much time of creating a spec book, choosing material, dealing with their customer, all to get rejected and revised by them because of lack of pricing or availability of product. That's why it takes them so much time to spend on building their design for their customers. The other things that they are dealing with, the builders, are tracking the materials, chasing all the information, working with multiple manufacturers all around. This is not their position, this is not their occupation, they don't need to deal with it. This is totally a different platform that need to help them and support them to build their project. And for the manufacturer, this is totally different game. Think about a project of 500 units now that they are dealing now on a plumbing fixtures bid. They are coming to this project about 10 or 15 bidders. In the end of the day, only one or two maybe win this project. What happened to the others? They all lost. So they spend so much time with manufacturers, and they're spending so much time with the pricing and samples and the overhead, and everything goes back to back, and only one or two winning. So we want to change it. How we are going to change it? We are going to change it by creating this SupplyX platform where you're going to have a stunning 3D visualization that include design, procurement, purchasing, and sourcing. Everything in one single platform. And by doing that, the benefit for designers, we are going to eliminate 70% from the time flow, from the time work, and they can create much better solution to their customer in a much, much easier time. For the 3D models, we are going to give them options. We are going to take all the material that they source through the platform, and we take it from an algorithm sides, and we plug it into the environment, and we'll show them exactly with their own material how they look and how they feel. And we are going to include also another for machine learning, 2 or 3 options for the environment. So now the buyer can sit and look what happened in his own project, whether it's an hotel or residential, commercial, or chains. He can see everything in his stage, and now he can buy that all in the platform. And he doesn't need, like before, ordering the material, and then when they install everything in the project, they come to visit and they say, the countertop is not matched to the flooring we order. I feel ashamed that I did it. Now we are going to help them to change it. And the benefit for the manufacturer, very easy. We are creating for them a sales tool covering all North America. All they need is to build the manufacturers inside, and from that point, we are going to engage them directly to the buyer. They don't need any more middlemen. They don't need to play with middlemen. They need to talk directly with the buyer. And if they lose their business, it's because of them, not because of the middleman. They decided to go from 20% to 50% profit, and that's why they lost. So we are not just building a tool, we are building an ecosystem for the interior finishes construction that will be a game changer for this market. And take all the players that want to build tomorrow project, they can sit tomorrow in their couch and build it and make it happen. So we are there, we're already working with an MVP, we already start to sell from the back end. We are looking now for partners, early adopters, VCs, whatever, that can understand the dream that where we are going with. And that's where we go with, and we look forward to see you all coming and joining to us. Thank you very much.